What's up, everybody? Trader Neil here, back at you with another crypto video. So today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. Today's going to be a bit of a short video because I will just be looking at lower time frames on BTC ever since we had the dump the other day on Tuesday, because I want to give you guys a little update on what I'm seeing on the chart and where I'm looking to take some trades. Before I get started, as always, I would appreciate it if you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button at Trader Neil, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. As always, guys. All right, so let's get started. Looking at BTC here on the lower time frames. On Tuesday, guys, after we came up and rejected with the SFP here at 65K of these highs, as you can see, on Sunday we hit an SFP these highs at around 65, and that ended up being the top of our rally here. And as a result, just looking at things now on a sort of higher time frame perspective on BTC, the issue here is that after we took these highs, whenever we came down for a retest of our value area high of this larger range down here, this should have held, and instead it broke down from your value area high, bearishly retested it on the 1 hour, and then came pretty much that was your death sentence in a sense. You came down, you dumped, and then now we pretty much just came down to our next support here at 57.78. So as you guys can see, this support has pretty much been your range low for how many times we tapped it here in this range, and then coming down to it one more time, we simply just did the same thing. We tapped it again, and so tapped it, came down, SFP'd that first initial low, and then had a pump this morning. And looking at how price action has developed, we pretty much here on BTC came up, flipped our local range highs, and then came up to the 61,200 resistance and rejected from there once again. Looking at things here, guys, after we got that rejection, I was looking for price action to hopefully hold the top side of this range here on BTC, and then as a result come up and potentially fill the short opportunity here. The reason I am looking to take this short, and we potentially still could get that short, it just may not be today, maybe it might be tomorrow, the next day, we'll see. We have the 0.5 fib of our range. If you take a pull from your local high on Sunday to our low yesterday, you've got a 4-hour supply zone here. And then overall, this is another really important support resistance level with all of these wicks coming in from your left side here. And so what do I think could potentially happen here, guys? Well, for now on BTC, I think after this quick flush down that we just had on the charts, I would not be surprised to see a relief bounce. The problem here is this relief bounce going to take us back above 60K to where we could potentially fill our short? Or is it just going to roll over from here and revisit yesterday's lows? Right now, I'm leaning towards a bounce. However, if we do revisit yesterday's lows, I will not be looking to personally take another trade off of them, guys. Even though we could get a bounce, I am still looking to take a long potentially here at around 56K if we get it. Because this liquidity, ever since you tapped this level here in the middle of August, it's never been tapped before, and everyone who longed at this level, their stops are still safe. So if we come down, take the stops and the entries here and hit our value area low of our range, I think that would be a nice place for a potential larger bounce. But overall, guys, that's pretty much all I'm looking for and looking at here on BTC. Our breakout of our range here failed, unfortunately, for our bulls out there. And so we are still in chop mode. And it's the end of August, guys. This is kind of how things are with crypto at the end of the summer and into Q4. Things are slow, things are boring, but hopefully, just like other previous cycles, we see things pick up, and we get some nice volatile and fun price action to the upside in Q4, which is what I'm leaning for. But we'll see how price action plays out. But one thing I can guarantee you guys is that I will be here looking at the chart every couple days with y'all and telling you what I think. All right, guys. So that'll be the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Trader Neil going over Bitcoin price action. I'll talk to you guys soon. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.